When we started the remodel on my home, I knew that the kitchen was gonna be one of the most important spaces within my home. So when it came to designing and remodeling our kitchen, we really wanted to make a statement. So we went with the Quartz Valor White on the countertops against the walls, as well as running it all the way up to the ceiling through our shelving, really to create that elevated look. I really want to do something different and unique for the island to create some contrast and an elevated look as well in the kitchen. So we went with a Mercer Gray Quartz, which is durable and gives us that color pop that we were really looking for. I really like a cohesive look throughout my home, so we brought the Valor White countertops up into the laundry room and finished it off with doing a Brazilian black slate on the floor. Again, I love the contrast and could not be more happy with how it turned out. Working with Dow Tile on my home has been a seamless process from start to finish. If you're looking to implement any of these products in your space, go to dowtile.com.